अखंड भारत के शिल्पकार सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की जन्म जयंती 31 अक्टूबर को राष्ट्र एकता दिवस के रूप में मनाता है। और आज की तारीख 31 अक्टूबर 2018 विशेष है क्योंकि अब से कुछ ही देर में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची प्रतिमा स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी का अनावरण करेंगे।
And that's right, what a proud moment it is for each and every one of us. For turning that, which is seemingly impossible, into a reality, one first needs to dare to dream. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel did have a dream. And that dream was to take a fragmented geography and convert it into one unified nation. A nation where every citizen could realize his or her potential to the fullest. And today, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils the tallest statue in the world and dedicates it to the nation, it is only apt and natural for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel not only sets an example for all of us, but inspires us to go forward with the values that he held of sacrifice and courage.
भारत के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में सरदार पटेल ने सक्रिय भूमिका निभाई और देश की आज़ादी के बाद भारत को एक मजबूत जनतंत्र बनाने में, भारत के संविधान निर्माण में, डिवीजन ऑफ एसेट्स में उन्होंने महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया और भावी पीढ़ी उनके योगदान को बेहतर समझ सके, इसके लिए स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी में एक आकर्षक म्यूजियम भी बनाया गया है।
Bonding with bonds of iron. In fact, the base of the museum where we are standing is forged from the whole construction and the shell from thousands of implements got from lakhs of farmers from across the villages within the country and is deeply symbolic in nature. And today, when this museum, which is dedicated to the memories of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, is going to attract visitors and viewers from across the world, it will inspire us to understand the new paradigm of how we see nationality in its true sense.
तो गौरव, यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि जिस एक भारत का सपना सरदार पटेल ने देखा था, उसे श्रेष्ठ बनाने में हम सभी योगदान दें। Greetings on National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a pivotal role in uniting India. As independent India's first Home Minister, he created a base for a modern police force. With time, advancements in technology have helped deliver national security and build resilience. Prime Minister Narendra Modi always encourages innovation to better serve humanity. And therefore, as part of the Unity Day celebrations, here within the premises of the Statue of Unity, a police technology exhibition has been organized. They say technology in its own ways promotes the core values of unity, integrity and security.